Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. Usually, in the animal kingdom, when the offspring are being attacked, mothers or fathers of this animal would be the most resilient guards, even the scary carnivores like lions. But in today's video, is a different story. A mother hippo was exhausted after a fight with a predator. Unfortunately, another young male lion passed by and discovered the opportunity. He decided to go near Mother Hippo in searching of food in the scorching sun of Kruger National Park, South Africa. Although the battle is quite unbalanced, the baby hippos then try to attack, prevent the lion from his mother. There is also a time when the baby hippo ran back to the mothers and being chased by the lion, but it returned to fight. Let's watch the brave moment of the baby hippo. The lion is known as the king of the animal kingdom. In the vast savanna, they can attack and kill huge buffaloes, team up to defeat giraffes, or make elephants afraid. The male lion is resting in the shade. Then he discovered that a stranger has come to his area. The king of the meadow was about to rush to attack the intruder. He suddenly stopped, knowing that the enemy was a large hippo. Hippo is a herbivore but having large size, thick skin, wide mouth, and strong teeth. This species is rarely conflict with others, but their nature is still extremely violent, especially for those who invade their areas or approach their offspring. The hippo teeth can cut 3-meter-long crocodile. Despite its large body and short legs, hippos can easily accelerate to 48 km per hour, surpass humans. The third heaviest mammal on land, the male hippo can weigh 1.8 tons and can be 5 meters long. Hippo live in groups in deep waters or river area, and sometimes they will come to shore to find food. The hippo in the video accidentally strayed into the lion's area, intending to live quietly, but the host did not allow. However, when attacking the giant, the lion was also rarely on advantage of the majority strength to be able to defeat the enemy. However, that does not mean that the lion cannot attack alone. The lion, after a moment of hesitation, rushed to attack the hippo. The hippo tried to run away quickly, but it was caught by the lion. Although the thick skin will protect the hippo from the lion's bite, it's deemed difficult to escape due to the lion's bite on the tail. The battle lasts until one of the two exhausted and free each other because hippos were almost impossible to win lions on land, and lion could hardly finish the hippo to eat without the help of its hurt. However, after this unequal battle, The mother hippo was seriously injured, and unfortunately, another male lion discovered this delicious prey. But the baby hippo stood out to protect his mother without fear of the lion. The maternal love helps him to overcome his enemy and protect his mother's life. When I saw the lion trying to attack the prey and the baby hippo trying to fight back, I felt very moved. The mother hippo is too weak to take care of her child, and the baby hippo just fight back to survive. But sadly, there is no happy ending. The hippo died shortly after the photo was taken, and the baby hippo was too young to take care of itself, so it died 2 days later. How do you feel after watching this video? Leave the comment below and please click like, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. You can also watch interesting video about the natural world again right on the screen.